Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on? I was here a couple weeks ago. You will not believe the transformation of this house. Come on in and check it out. So if you guys remember, we came to this house a couple weeks ago, and I will put the original video in the description below. Please, 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 if you haven't watched that video first, you need to leave right now and you need to check that out. So guys, this is one of Manny's 16 Section 8 rental properties that we've done over a 12-month period. So Manny is averaging about a house almost and a half per month at this clip. So this house right here was purchased for very, very cheap with a very large renovation. It doesn't even look like the same house. And there has been so much work done here. If you can name it, it was done. Drywall, flooring, subfloor, plumbing, electrical, roofing, HVAC, brand new kitchen, countertops, cabinets, windows, exterior work, everything. Now that it's done, we couldn't do a lot of talking when we were in this house last time because there was a lot of guys working in here. There was a lot of stuff going on. But as we walk through, we'll talk about it a little bit. Now, it's 97% done. We haven't had the water turned on yet. We haven't a meter set for that. We haven't had the electrical done yet, or the electrical meter installed yet. We're waiting on that as well. We've passed every inspection. We're good to go on everything. But we haven't cleaned it because we don't have water. So one of the last steps to all these houses is getting them clean, but especially in situations where you're doing full replumbs. And for this house, as an example, I don't know when the last time the water was turned on here. So you have to get the city to come out, re-put a water meter in. When that gets put in, after you pass all your plumbing inspections and that gets installed, at that point, you can then come back through here, turn the water on, and clean this whole place up. So you walk in right here, as you guys can tell, one common theme throughout this entire house is every window is brand new. So all new windows, everything you look at, brand new. Brand new sheetrock, all new outlets, all new electrical, everything in the walls is new, everything under the floor included, everything new, all the doors new, everything's new. So you walk in and you have a bedroom immediately upon entry. So this was a bedroom that did not exist. We built out the closet. Everything, of course, all new trim. This is stuff that we built. New windows. Window was not here. New doors. Everything. And we wanted to make sure that when we built this, we weren't sacrificing anything, of course. So this is still a very good sized living room for a house of this size. And as we continue here, you come off onto the main hallway. So this was originally a 2-bedroom. We turned it into a 3-bedroom. We just went to bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 is right here, and you'll see a very common theme. I mean, there's not a lot of differences amongst these rooms. Everything is very, very similar as you come through here. New bathroom. I don't have lights, so you guys can't really see it, but all new tub, new shower, all new plumbing, new vanity, new toilet. We did this ×2. So, and then bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 3 has the ensuite. So, ensuite bathroom here as well. This did not exist originally. So, vanity, toilet, and bathtub. Of course, not clean because we don't have water. So, everything in this house, guys, brand new. It looks really, really good. I'm really, really happy with it. And this was an example of a project that was virtually taken down to the studs. And if you've watched the video of what it looked like before, this whole project only took us a little over 30 days to do. So it's really amazing what we can do when you do things right, when you do them in the right markets, and when you have landlord-tenant laws, construction laws all on your side, permitting laws, but also you have teams that understand what you need, what the quality level is, how fast you need to get it done, what you can do inside the house that's going to increase the tenant experience to a point where they're going to want to stay. So you take a house like this, for example, originally a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. turned into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Immediately, as a 2-bathroom house, it's going to have more demand. But what you've done essentially too now is you've created a primary suite that we're standing in right now that has a full bathroom attached. Not only does it have a full bathroom attached, but it has an exterior door that somebody can come in and out as they please. So basically our thought process here was, let's create a really nice room for parents where they're still close enough to their children, but where they have some more amenities than usual. Now, the rear door here off of the hallway that we just walked through that leads to the backyard is also leads to a parking pad. So you get in late at night as a parent, maybe the kids are sleeping, one parent's home, you come in, you don't want to wake anybody up, you come through the back, right into your bedroom, take your clothes off in that little mudroom hallway area, and you have the restroom right there, and you also have your bath, your bedroom. So little things like that will separate this house from other ones. Of course, everything will separate this house because it's practically brand new, cosmetically and internally, which is even more important than the cosmetics. The electrical, the plumbing, the HVAC, all brand new. The new roof, it's pouring outside right now. And of course, obviously, dry as a bone everywhere inside the house. And personally, when I come to these markets to look at clients' projects, I love seeing them in adverse weather conditions. I love when it's freezing cold, I love when it's extremely hot, and I love when it rains. Because I get to say, okay, we put a brand new roof here. How is the drip edge operating? How is the water flowing off the house? In some instances where there are gutters, how are the gutters flowing? Where is the water pooling? Is it coming away from the house good? Are we gonna have problems later foundationally based on the grade that the house is on? Do we need to change the grade? Do we need to build up certain areas? Same thing in extreme heat. If it's extremely hot outside, what's the temperature on the interior? Is the thermostat set at 68 but reading 75? If so, we've got a problem. Same thing in the winter. Is the heat set on 72 but it's only 64 in the house? Things like that. I love seeing these homes that we're building in very adverse conditions because it gives me a very, very clear reality check of where we are. So it's pouring rain today and it's very hot. It's perfect. I want to make sure these houses are cool. I want to make sure the rain runoff is going exactly where it should based on all of our plans and how we draw things up. So guys, it's not hard to do this if you have the right people and the right teams. If you don't have the right people and the right teams, you can't do it. You can try, you're going to fail. You want to do it with us, send me an email in the description below. We'll get started. We'll see you next time.